Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Today I wanted to show you guys my favorite online shops to buy witchy, hippie, whatever you want to call it, type stuff from. Obviously, I know right now it's really hard to get access to that stuff because some shops might be shut down due to like the local order, and also just like depending on where you live, it might be harder, like you might not have one of those kind of stores. And sometimes we just like shopping online. Sometimes we're introverts, I get that. So I wanted to show you guys, before we get started, I wanted to say hello and welcome if you're new here. Make sure to subscribe if you like it and give this video a big thumbs up. It honestly means the world to me and makes me so happy, so yeah. Okay, let's just get started. So this first store, also I'd like to start by saying, yes, I want you guys to support locally owned businesses as much as you can. But like I said, I understand needing to do online shopping. And when you do that, I would definitely say try to do like not Walmart or Target or, you know, those big corporations, because they have enough money. And there are many, many shops who are owned by real working people, and they're just trying to make their living and do what they love, and I say let's support them, and you know, yeah, let's support them. So let's get started now. Okay, so this first one is Tamed Wild, and I've shot from here before. I love them. They have a subscription box as well, and they also have like a tea of the month club, which I think is really cute. So yeah, I loved their stuff. I actually filmed this already once and then found out my computer was not screen recording, so I'm starting again, it's fine. And I freaked out about these faux crystal teaspoons. They're just so cute. Like, they're so cute. So I was debating on getting it, but I think we've decided. That we're getting it because it's only $6.50. That's not that much, and these are so cute. I think I really like the silver and the copper one. Yeah. God, they're so cute. Like, let's do the copper. Pewter. Wait, what's pewter? I don't know what that is. But they have a ton of stuff. They have altar supplies, candles, obviously, some astrology stuff. They have some books. I got this wild recipe. It's sold out right now, but I got this wild recipe booklet. The first time I ordered from them, I really like it. This big old apothecary. They have a ton of stuff, a ton of really cool, a lot of crystals, a lot of herbs. This feels very much to me like a green witch, like herbal magic type of thing. If you're into that, I think this would definitely probably be your favorite of the websites. But they have tarot cards and Zodiac stuff and other things for more of an eclectic witch, which is what I identify as. But, God, this like leather sachet. Sachet? Is that the word? I would have said satchel. Weird. So yeah, they have a ton of stuff. Sunstone. Whew. I might come back and pick up some more things, but starting off slow. I'm on a budget, so we'll see how we stick to it. Next website is Witch Baby Soap, you guys. I ordered from them like last month. I got a body butter, a body scrub, and a face mask, and I love them because like they are very natural products and all their ingredients are very obviously natural and made with good intentions. A lot of them will come with a crystal inside of it, which is like my favorite thing ever. I have a candle that has crystal in it, and I don't know what it is, but like whenever I get something that has like a little crystal, it's like a little present within the present. It's amazing. I love it. And so as you can see, I like to think of this as like the Lush of witchcraft. Like they have all these different bath bombs. I think I want to get that. They have a psychic body butter that I'm going to get because that is right up my alley. But yeah, this is very specifically, they do have jewelry and crystals as well, and smudge sticks. But this is very bath, like, you know, bath located. Like I feel like this is prepping for your full or new moon ritual bath, this is the place to be. But also for like literally whatever you want to get. Does that make sense? I have this indigo body scrub, and proof that they have a great customer service. I bought this, and it says right on the front, right here, elderflower and blackberry. And I read the ingredients, and there was no blackberry, so I just didn't even look at that. And I am allergic to blackberry, so when I got it and I saw that, and I was like, what? And then I read the ingredients, and there was no blackberry. I was like, what? And so I was like, hey guys, I don't know, I didn't see that. Is this blackberry? Because I was like, you know, allergic. And they were like, oh, no, it's just the fragrance. Like, you know, you're chill, no worries. And I was like, oh my God, thank you for not thinking I'm crazy, because it's literally like in huge letters on the front. They were very nice and very quick response. So lavender smoke wand. Whew. I have so many smoke wands though. I need to go through them before I get any more. Oh, with that mugwort. I love this teapot cauldron. I think that's so cute. The Third Eye body butter. This sounds so perfect. Smells like a beachside psychic shop. Guys, that's my happy place. Oh my God. Oh my God. And I read the ingredients, guys. I'm good. I can do it. So we're adding that to the cart. Let's check out the Psychic Bath Bomb. Glitter, guys. Okay, it has an amethyst in it, and this is the thing. I have so many amethysts, like, they keep coming to me, and that's probably for a reason. It's probably a reason it's coming to me, but I don't know. I don't feel like I can get any more of it. You know what I mean? Anyway, I will finish that later. I just wanted to show you that. The next website is called Zenned Out, and this one I have not shopped from before, but I was listening to my podcast that I love, which is called Spiritual Shit with Leah Lovely, and her guest owns this, and she was talking about it, and it sounded so nice. They have some goddess discovery books, which I was like, hello, this is my thing, which is reading about it. It's basically like a super great, like if you're just starting, this book will help you a lot, because it goes over, here, let's check it out. It goes over, it has a mini moon phase journal, moon phase ritual cards, moon phase calendar, crystal grids, aura color quiz, chakra balancing guide, crystal cards, spell cards, palm reading cards, mini oracle card deck, and like tons of stuff like that, which so cool. So if you're getting started and you want to just like dive into it, that sounds like a super cool way to do it. The ritual deck, which I don't have any oracle cards, so I'm like, maybe I should get some. You know, maybe, I don't know. Maybe that's what I need to do, dude. I only have my tarot cards, which I love so much, have such a connection to, but I'm like, I don't know, maybe I'll play around with some oracle cards here and there. They have a ton of crystals, like big ones, and normal sized ones, I guess. Altar tools. Oh, I said this in the first time I filmed this, but forgot to say it so far. Tamed Wild does have spell candles, but they're, I think, like $6 each, which I think is a little bit expensive. You can get one of these sets for $12, and I believe it comes with 12 of them. So I would get a set, you guys, because that just seems like the move, like save money, you know? Lots of pretty stuff. Okay, and 13 Moons is another one that I have not ordered from, but I have heard so many people recommend this as like a really big, I don't know, like exactly, since 1997. I want to say this is like a really big online Witchy store. So I think this is where I'm gonna get my statue from. I'm picking up a Freya statue today, and I've been wanting to get it for a while, but I have been kind of holding off for a little bit just because it's a little bit more expensive and definitely was not a necessity by any means, but I thought I would pick it up today and it's on sale. So let's pop that. But other than that, they have like a ton of like altar sets. So if you're just getting started and you want to get something for your altar, they have a lot of just like, I don't know, things that I think a lot more, God, I'm trying to speak, but I'm getting sleepy, so I'm forgetting how to talk. I think this has a lot more unique things than the other ones I've showed you. I want to check out some of their crystal balls, like obviously crystals in general, but I don't know, I feel like maybe it's the statues that are throwing me for a loop, but I don't know, they just seem so cool, and like I don't see these anywhere else. But yeah, a ton of stuff for the altar, just like a ton of stuff. This is like a really good all-encompassing website, I think. And finally, I have Lady Scorpio, and I actually have a blanket I want to get off of here, but this is a lot more of like modern witchy type of things, like playing into the aesthetic and whatnot, so I think this is good for those like eclectic modern witches. Obviously I like the aesthetic as well. So like so many cute things. This is also like very like hippie witchy style in my opinion, whereas I think 13 Moons was more of like the traditional like spooky type, whereas this is just like, I don't know, you know what I mean? Ooh, sacral chakra affirmation? I need that. Going into, I feel like the ritual section will be more what you guys are looking for. So they have a smudging ritual kit. It looks like it comes with a lot of stuff too. Chakra divination kit? Nice. Yeah, so this seems like more, I guess, yeah, like modern day type of stuff, but still, I feel like this is probably a really good website. Like I said, have not bought anything off this website, but I am gonna buy some stuff today, so I wanted to show you. And the Spirit Nest is the last one I'm gonna show you guys today, and I have not bought anything off of this yet, but I saw this, it was like, you know how Facebook like listens to you? So it listened to me and it was like, hey, you should try this. So probably gonna try some stuff out from here. If you guys want to see me do like an unboxing or like a haul video when I get all my stuff from this haul, I'm gonna order some things off of here. Let me know, because they have a ton of things. Shoes? Oh my god, cute. I love it. They had one thing that I remember specifically wanting. It was like an oil. I sent it to my boyfriend. Yeah, Witch's Brew body oil. Crystal infused hydrating body oil. That sounds so nice. I really like that. And it looks really super cute. Really like that. So this feels more like your kind of glamour witch, like more body, accessory type of stuff. They do have an altar section, we can check that out. See what that's about. Also incense, some sage, candles. Yeah, so, yeah. Looking back, I think the Spirit Nest is good for like glamour witch, those type of people who are into skincare, all that kind of beauty stuff. I think Lady Scorpio is really good for like the hippie witch aesthetic, especially when it comes to home decor and whatnot. I think 13 Moons is going to be really, really good for like anything, honestly, especially those who are very traditional with their style. And I think this also, let me check, I don't remember, I've been using candles as the, I don't know, I feel like I'm doing like The Price is Right and I'm trying to guess. 20 candle set for $10, okay. Yeah, so this seems to be the place to go for candles, like, and candles aren't expensive and they shouldn't be, but I do think they were like $6 for one on Tamed Wild, so a little bit more expensive there. So 13 Moons seems like honestly should be like the go-to for like altar stuff. Zenned Out, I don't know, this is another one that kind of reminds me of Lady Scorpio. It's like kind of like modern day stuff, kind of beauty stuff also. The Ritual deck, might cop that today, guys. I'll show you guys what I buy, but I might get that. The Goddess Discovery book seems like a really good thing for those starting out who want like an all-encompassing book that's going to kind of help them into the world of witchy things. And Witch Baby soap, oh my god, I can't speak. Witch Baby soap is like the go-to for bath stuff. Like I literally don't think I'm ever going to shop anywhere else for my bath bombs and like body butter and stuff like that, because this just like, they do it for me. Like this is perfect. I love them so much. Like I don't even have words because I don't feel like I need to explain. It's just perfect. Like this is, I highly recommend this. Love it. And Tamed Wild for that green, earthy, you know, herbal witch type of stuff. So I am going to show you guys now a little slideshow of the things I bought, because right now does not know all the things I'm going to buy. But when I edit this, I can give you guys a little sneak peek. And then when that stuff comes in, I don't really know how to do a poll on here because I'm literally a boomer, so I'm sorry. Just comment below. I guess I'll pin a comment and ask you guys if you guys want to see like kind of a haul video or like an unboxing when all the stuff comes in. Don't know how much it'll be. Hopefully it's not too much, but yeah, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys mean the world to me. I love you guys so much. Make sure to subscribe and like if you guys haven't already, because like I said, it really means a lot to me and helps more people find my channel, and hopefully we can like, I don't know, start like a little family of like witchy stuff, you know? So yeah, awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Love you, bye.